Hi, welcome to Michelle's Cozy Kitchen, where I show you how to make Caribbean dishes. In this video, I will be making my version of white rice and stewed shrimps. Make sure you check out my other videos of mouth-watering Caribbean dishes. And if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make these delicious dishes. I upload videos every Friday. The first dish I'm going to make is the white rice. Guys, cooking white rice is so easy, simple. You just need a few ingredients: rice, butter, water, salt, and that's it. For a pot, I've added 4 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. Remember, it's 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Before cooking rice, I always ensure that I wash my rice properly. So guys, make sure you wash your rice. Run it under some cold water a few times to remove the starch. To the rice, I've added about a half stick of butter, and then I'm going to add enough salt to taste. You will know how much salt you can add to your rice. After adding the salt, I'll stir it to incorporate the flavors and then cover it and allow it to cook until tender. This is how it looks when completed. Take a fork and fluff the rice, then set it aside. Now it's time to make the shrimps in garlic butter sauce. Guys, and this one is so simple. Just follow this recipe and you'll be cooking it in no time. Seafood such as lobsters, crabs, skunks, fish, and shrimps are a part of our daily diet in the Caribbean because we catch them fresh every day. First step is to clean the shrimps, which I do by soaking them in some water with lime juice. After cleaning the shrimps, I lightly season them with paprika and Badia complete seasoning. After applying the seasoning, I toss them to make sure that each one is coated with the seasoning. I will set them aside for about 15 minutes to allow the seasoning to go through because shrimps do not take a long time to get seasoned. Now I'm going to cook the shrimps in garlic butter sauce. So what I've done is place a pan over medium heat. When it's hot, I've added about a quarter stick of butter and allow it to melt. Then I'm going to grate the garlic into the butter. I find that grating the garlic really infuses the butter with the garlic scent and flavor, which will allow it to be absorbed by the shrimps quickly. I have grated about 3 cloves of garlic into the butter using my handheld grater. I will allow the garlic to cook for about a minute and then add the shrimps. After adding the shrimps to the garlic butter sauce, I am going to stir them until they are completely covered with all that delicious flavor of the garlic. Shrimps are one of my favorite seafoods because they're easy to season and can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as boiled, steamed, sautéed, grilled, and even deep fried. To the shrimps, I'm going to add the following chopped seasonings: red and green peppers, scallions, onions, and thyme. I am going to stir the ingredients together until well combined, then cover the pot and allow to cook for about 6 minutes. Remember, shrimps do not need a long time to cook. Overcooking the shrimps can make them taste tough, so be careful not to overcook them. I have added some lime juice to cut down on the rawness of the shrimps and also added some parsley for garnishing. Now that we have completed the rice and the shrimps, it's time to put our dish together. On the plate, I have a simple salad, the white rice with garlic buttered shrimp, and corn. Guys, this dish is so good, you've got to try it. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. And from my cozy kitchen to yours, thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make these delicious Caribbean dishes.